So I have enlisted few points or few steps that are required for the design of two-way slab system with any design method. So the first step is to select the superimposed dead load and live load. So the superimposed dead load may include the load of partitions, floor finishes, or any other permanent feature that will be installed on that building. And similarly, the live load that will be based on the occupancy of that building, the purpose of that building. So after selecting the superimposed dead load and live load, we need to select the thickness of slab. After selecting the thickness of slab, we are able to compute the self weight of slab. So we will compute the self weight of slab and then we will calculate the total factored load. Okay. So after this, compute the positive and negative bending moments at critical locations of slab using either ACI coefficient method, direct design method, finite element analysis, or by using static analysis. So this step, the step number 4, that is actually analysis step. So once we have the loads, then we can compute the bending moments at critical location. Okay, after the analysis, once we have the bending moments, because in case of slab we only have bending moments, and for bending moments we design the reinforcement. For slab, shear is not that much critical, so we just check for the shear and we do not calculate the shear reinforcement. Yes, for flat slab system we may provide column capitals, drop panels, or shear reinforcement just at the top of columns. So we will check at the end that whether the shear is satisfied or not. If the shear is not satisfied, then we go for the shear design. Otherwise, for slabs, only the flexural reinforcement or flexural design is required. So after the fourth step, we need to calculate the reinforcement areas corresponding to the bending moments. Okay, from the reinforcement areas, we select the bar spacing, bar size, and then finally we check the shear, whether the slab is satisfied for the shear or not. If it is not satisfied, we can go for increasing the thickness of slab, or we can provide the column capitals, or we can use drop panels, or we can provide reinforcement, shear reinforcement. So this is a general procedure that is actually applicable for all type of design methods. So the difference in every design method is only the analysis, how we can calculate the moments. Once we have the moments, then the next step is common for each type of slab system or each type of slabs, that calculate the reinforcement and then select the bar size and spacing.